for these two big exhaust fans machine include the noisy control design and also the material supply, also the construction. And now we already finished. We are planning to make the test for final result. Here we are testing the background noise to see how many dB. So average is about 70 dB, 70. Okay, let's go to the project site here. Here is the front of the project site, and the distance is about 1 meter.